I'm going to smack my brother. He is getting payback time. Payback time. So, I'm going to smack him with shaving cream. I'm going to hide in the shower. I'm going to hit the camera. And about right now. The end.
Dang, she left my phone in here. Oh, a 1, a 2, and a 3. Okay. Dang it, man. What the? Oh, freak, man. Oh, it's breaking. You got my phone. What you doing? Oh, are you kidding me? She's stupid. She's stupid. Okay.